Hi and welcome to Cooperb, and this our new Interceptor Custom. We've been working on this bike for some time now. It has an S&S big bore kit on it, which is an 865 big bore kit with high compression pistons and a new camshaft, and it's all been set up with a power commander and a heavy duty clutch. We've also rebuilt the wheels. It has lightweight alloy tubeless rims on it, YSS progressive suspension front and rear. And then we've worked with our new friends over at Fastec Racing in Newmarket, and they've made the custom parts of this bike, including the handmade exhaust, the beautiful billet machined steering yokes, and the full body kit too. There's lots of this stuff that we've got in component form. If you're interested in any of it and you want to buy some, it's all on the shelf. Enjoy the video, give us a call. Thanks.
Hi guys, and welcome to Cooperb Motorcycles. Today we're here at Fastec Racing, picking up our custom bike which Danny's had for a little while. He's done loads of work on it and it looks great. Yeah, pass it over to Danny.
Well, we're glad you like it, and if any of your customers fancy anything like it, get in touch, we'll have a look.